Hello guys, today I will show you how to find communities on Roblox step by step. So follow and watch this video till the end. Open your Roblox like this. And next, when you open Roblox, you should go and click on more section. Right now, click on community option. And right now, guys, you have like a community. Click on more communities here. For example, me, I already have one. And to find it, come to the search bar and search for your community. For example, I will just search by this word, this community, click on it. And right now here, like this, I can find communities. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.